reasons why you should purchase your first home. Number one, your payment is going towards something. Right now, more than likely, if you're renting an apartment, you are renting from a friend, you're paying maybe rent to your parents, and that payment is going towards nothing. When you own your own home, whenever you make that monthly mortgage payment, it is going towards your own home, something that you're going to own. Reason number two is appreciation. Homes are proven to appreciate over time. What else do you know of that appreciates the older that it gets? And reason number three is tax benefits, okay? There's tax benefits to owning a home, like your interest. Whenever you actually make a monthly mortgage payment, you are paying interest. And that interest, you could actually write it off at the end of the year. Get with your CPA. I hope this helps you out. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to call me. Thank you.